The easiest AI businesses you can start from your laptop. What if your laptop could be your business partner? Imagine sitting in a cafe, sipping your favorite drink, and earning money through a business that runs almost entirely with the help of artificial intelligence. Sounds futuristic? It's not. It's happening right now. AI has transformed the way people work and create. You no longer need a big office, a tech team, or even coding skills to start a profitable business. All you need is creativity, consistency, and access to the right tools. From content creation to design, marketing, and automation, AI has opened doors for everyone to build a business from home. In this video, we'll explore the easiest AI businesses you can start today with just your laptop. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking for financial freedom, these business ideas are designed to be practical, scalable, and accessible to anyone willing to start. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Number 1. AI-powered content creation agency. Content is the lifeblood of every business. Companies need blogs, social media posts, video scripts, and ad copy. And AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai make it incredibly easy to produce all of that in minutes. You can start your own AI content agency and offer services to brands, influencers, and startups. All you have to do is understand what the client needs, feed the right prompts into the AI, and polish the results with a human touch. You can charge per article, per project, or even monthly retainers for ongoing work. This business requires no upfront investment beyond an AI subscription and your time. With experience, you can niche down. Maybe focus on real estate content, tech blogs, or fitness copywriting, and build a solid brand that runs directly from your laptop. Number 2. AI graphic design and branding studio. Gone are the days when you needed years of design training. Today, AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI allow anyone to create stunning logos, brand kits, and marketing designs. You can start an AI-driven design studio offering branding services for small businesses, YouTubers, and digital creators. With just a few clicks, you can generate professional logos, packaging designs, and social media visuals. If you combine your AI design skills with print-on-demand websites like Redbubble or Printify, you can even sell your own designs as t-shirts, mugs, and posters, earning passive income while AI handles the creative part. Number 3. AI video creation and editing service. Video is the most powerful form of online content today. But not everyone has time to film and edit videos, and that's where AI steps in. Tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Synthesia can help you turn text into videos, add subtitles, or create talking avatars in minutes. You can use these tools to create explainer videos, YouTube shorts, marketing ads, or training clips for businesses. You can even launch a faceless YouTube channel, using AI-generated voices and avatars to create videos without ever appearing on camera. Once you understand how to use these tools efficiently, you can handle multiple clients at once, automate repetitive work, and earn steady income, all from your laptop. Number 4. AI chatbot development. Customer service is one of the fastest-growing areas for AI automation. Every business wants to respond instantly to customer queries, and chatbots make that possible. You can start a chatbot development service using tools like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, or Tidio. These platforms allow you to build smart conversational bots without any coding skills. Businesses can use them on websites, social media pages, or messaging apps to answer questions, book appointments, or capture leads. Once you set up a chatbot for a client, you can charge a setup fee plus a small monthly maintenance fee, creating recurring income that keeps coming in while you sleep. Number 5. AI social media management. Social media never sleeps, and brands struggle to keep up with consistent posting. You can step in and offer AI-powered social media management services. Tools like ChatGPT, Predis.ai, and Buffer allow you to automate content calendars, generate captions, and design engaging posts. You can help clients plan their content, schedule posts, and track engagement all through AI systems. You don't need to be an influencer to make this work. Just know how to use the right tools and understand your client's tone and audience. Start with a few clients, charge them monthly, and let AI handle most of the workload. Over time, you can scale into a full agency. Number 6. AI blogging and niche websites. If you love writing or passive income ideas, this one's perfect. Using AI, you can build a blog or niche website that generates money through ads and affiliate links. The process is simple. Choose a niche, use AI tools like Surfer's SEO and ChatGPT to create optimized articles, and post them regularly. With time, your website will attract organic traffic, and you can monetize it with Google AdSense or affiliate programs. Once your blog gains traction, you can even sell it for a lump sum profit. Many entrepreneurs use AI to build multiple small websites and turn them into long-term income sources. Number 7. AI tutoring and education services. Education is one of the biggest industries AI is transforming. If you enjoy teaching, you can combine your knowledge with AI to build personalized learning programs. You can use AI to generate lesson plans, quizzes, and study guides with tools like Notion AI, Socratic, or Quizlet AI. You can then sell your courses on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring online using AI to help explain complex topics in simple terms. It's easy to manage, flexible, and requires nothing more than your laptop and teaching passion. Number 8. AI voiceover and audio business. With realistic voice tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, and Play HT, creating professional voiceovers is now effortless. You can turn written scripts into natural-sounding audio for commercials, podcasts, and YouTube videos. Start by offering voiceover services on Fiverr or Upwork. You can also produce audiobooks or AI-generated podcasts that discuss trending topics. Since AI voices sound incredibly realistic now, you can handle projects in multiple languages and tones without recording anything yourself. This business is ideal for creative individuals who want to explore the audio world without expensive microphones or studio setups. Number 9. AI Marketing Automation Agency. Marketing is another area where AI saves businesses massive time and money. You can start an agency that helps companies automate their email campaigns, sales funnels, and ad targeting using tools like MailChimp AI, HubSpot AI, and Zapier. You don't need to be a marketing expert to get started. You just need to learn how to connect the tools and analyze results. Once you build systems for clients, they often keep paying for updates and maintenance, which means reliable recurring income. This type of business grows fast because most small companies want to use AI, but don't know where to begin. You can be the expert they rely on. Number 10. AI Resume and LinkedIn Optimization. Millions of people apply for jobs every month, and they're all looking for ways to stand out. You can use AI tools to rewrite resumes, create modern templates, and optimize LinkedIn profiles. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva make it easy to transform dull resumes into eye-catching professional documents. You can charge clients per resume or offer packages that include cover letters and profile optimization. It's an easy business to start, requires zero investment, and has a huge potential market. You can promote your services on LinkedIn or freelance platforms and grow quickly through referrals. Getting started. Starting an AI business from your laptop doesn't mean you have to master everything overnight. The best approach is to pick one idea, learn the tools, and take consistent action. Watch tutorials, join online communities, and practice using AI daily. Create a small portfolio showcasing your work and start reaching out to clients through LinkedIn, Upwork, or social media. Over time, you can automate more tasks, raise your prices, and even hire help, all while working remotely. Artificial intelligence has leveled the playing field. You don't need a degree in data science or a fancy office to build an AI-powered business. From content creation to consulting, everything can be done right from your laptop. The beauty of this new digital age is freedom. The freedom to create, innovate, and earn on your own terms. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to empower them. And the sooner you start exploring its potential, the faster you can build a business that works for you, anytime, anywhere. So open your laptop, pick an idea, and start building your AI-powered future today. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.